Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of a same-sex marriage visa for Thailand. There's been a lot of talk with respect to the possibility that same-sex marriage may be legalized here in Thailand. I think it's probably a pretty safe bet sometime between 2022 and probably 2030. I know that's a long time. But sometime at some point in this decade, I would probably even go further and say sometime between now and 2025, we're very likely to see same-sex marriage become, equalized in the eyes of the law here in Thailand. The upshot of that is, would there be a visa category, specifically an marriage visa category, associated with same-sex couples, same-sex marriage couples, to be clear? I got to thinking about this again when I was reading from the Pattaya Mail, this pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Grapevine Only the Rich," and quoting directly, "If gay marriage really is on the cards in Thailand, Western retirees who marry their boyfriends might be able to obtain a one-year partner extension of stay, 400,000 baht in the bank, rather than retirement, 800,000 baht. But wait a moment, nobody has said that the new proposed law will include foreigners, might be for Thais only. Nobody knows at this stage." Well, I don't think that they're going to create a same-sex marriage law or sort of amend the laws that it says, well, we'll allow same-sex marriage, but only between Thais. That they don't have a marriage law in Thailand that says, well, you can get married in Thailand, but only Thais can get married in Thailand. That I don't even think that would be feasible from a practical standpoint. So not overly worried about that. But the thing to take away from this video, in my opinion, is, yeah, if this goes through, and I think it's very likely we're going to see some kind of same-sex marriage, it may be a graduated process, as we've seen in other jurisdictions, where civil unions comes online and then same-sex marriage possibly down the road. Understand, though, civil union may not necessarily get you there with respect to a visa, because the Immigration Act will still probably, specifically the regulations stemming from the Immigration Act of '79 may still stipulate marriage, and civil union may not be enough. Although, it's better than nothing in the sense that same-sex couples, foreign, binational, whatever, in a civil union structure, you could estate plan correctly. You can make sure that there is equity within your what we would call the marital estate, but under the circumstances, sort of your partnership, if you will. And then hopefully down the road, they'll just, have full same-sex marriage. In the United States, there was no graduated process. Same-sex marriage was just legalized per the decision in the Windsor decision primarily, and some other Supreme Court cases. So the thing to take away from this video is, yeah, if same-sex marriage does happen in Thailand, I think it's fairly safe to presume there's probably going to be visa options for binational couples shortly thereafter.